Hey, hi, welcome. My name's Alan Simpson. And first of all, I'd like to thank you for checking out my course titled PowerPoint Animations and Video for Online Instructors. When I say video and animation, I mean not slideshows, but maybe an actual talking head video where you're bringing some text onto the screen, like in this example, or maybe you want to put your talking head video down on the corner and have a picture on the screen and be bringing some text in. Or maybe if you're teaching a computer course, you'd like to have some screen recording going on in the background and still maybe have your talking head video going on up in the corner or whatever. Now, if you just do a few of these screen recordings, you don't need to buy Camtasia Studio or ScreenFlow. You can do it for free with PowerPoint or tools right on your Mac. We'll talk about other kinds of mashups, such as the comparison or before-after photo on the screen, maybe next to some text like in this example. And of course, we'll cover my own personal favorite, the fun and funky stick figure animation, which has zero marketing slick, but tons of educational value. I'll also show you how to find and use free public domain stock footage and background music and sound effects. So if you think that knowing how to do any of the things you've seen or heard here will benefit your own online courses or video presentations, come on over and check it out. First 3 lessons are free. So if the course seems too fast, too slow, too whatever, you can just walk away. But if you really want to beef up your video and animation skills to make more compelling presentations and online courses, come on in and check it out right now.